Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's home, or should I say good morning Buttercup, which is a college roommate of mine that used to wake me up that way and I hated it every day. But today we're going to get up early because I want to load my little dip crock pot, which you'll see here in a moment. But I'm going to start off by browning up a 1 pound roll of Jimmy Dean hot sausage. And I'm going to tell you, I drain that hot sausage off so that, there's no grease in it. Now, if you don't like your items hot and spicy bothers you, you can use any sausage that you prefer. But once I get this all good and brown, I'm going to throw this into my little crock pot, which you'll see here in a moment. But I'm going to add in 1 can of drained hot Rotel, 1 brick of cream cheese, and a couple handfuls of Fiesta blend shredded cheese. Now you can use any kind of cheese you want, and you can use any Rotel that you want. The medium, you don't have to use the hot. I'm going to turn this on low, put the lid on it, and let it cook up while I'm at church for a couple of hours. Come home and stir it, and it should be ready. Good morning. It is Sunday. I hope you guys are doing great. Oh my gosh, I'm just sitting down. I just loaded the crock pot with a sausage dip for today. I was supposed to cook it for Valentine's Day or make it for Valentine's Day, but we ended up with other plans and we went out with Ronnie's cousin instead. And we ended up going shopping and we ate at Luigi's, which was really good. And I got the gyro salad, although I didn't get any pictures of it. If you have never been to Luigi's in West Virginia, I highly suggest it. It is delicious, delicious. One of our favorite places to eat. Ronnie got the large Supreme pizza and he loves it, and it looked really delicious. I'll insert a picture here and a couple pictures of the restaurant, but it's like a mom and pop's kind of place. It's not fancy, it's not, where you have to dress up. But if you're looking for real good, fresh, served food, that is the place to go to. It is really, really top notch. So yes, that's where we went. And then we went to... We shopped at Menards and we went to the Dollar Tree. I haven't been to Menards in forever, and I bought a few things, and I went to Dollar Tree. I got a few little Eastery items, which excites me because that means that spring is coming. Spring is coming. Although there has been a little bit of a rumor here that we are going to get another snowstorm before the end of this month. I'm praying it don't happen. Now, this week is supposed to be superb weather. In fact, I believe that Monday it's going to be almost 70 degrees from what I read. And if that is true, then I'm a happy camper, right? And that's President's Day, so a lot of people don't have to work and they can enjoy it, which is awesome. So anyways, like I said, I did not get to do, I was planning to make me and Ronnie some little treats, some, nothing fancy, guys, nothing fancy. But I got that recipe for the sausage dip from another lady that she has a YouTube channel, and I will link her down below. If I remember correctly, I think her name is Jamie Dunlap. I think that's her name. And she's the one that turned me on to the heatless curler for my hair. And I have used it every single night, and I absolutely love it. Now, I will tell you that I don't wind mine every single night like she did hers. Like last night, I put my hair in a ponytail, and then I rolled it around the ponytail. I rolled my hair up in it, and I rolled it around the ponytail just so that it would keep some wave in it. And I don't need a whole lot of curl, but if I want like an extreme curl, I will do it where I wrap it around the things. Went to Menards and I got my favorite candy. Now I'm going to tell you, I ate 5 pieces of the cinnamon bears from Menards, and the rest I am not eating. I'm going to give to somebody or something, because I love them, and I know that I can't stay out of them when I get started. So now I will tell you this, the old me would have ate every one of those bears out of that bag. The old me would have ate every single one of those bears out of that bag yesterday. But we had a lovely Valentine's Day. I hope you guys did too. And Stacy and Chris, if you were watching this, thank you for spending the day with us and taking us out. We really appreciate it. We had a really good time. But this morning I am up, I'm dressed, I'm getting ready to head to church. Before I go to church, I'm going to flip on my little crock pot in there on low, and then when I get home I should be able to stir it and it should be ready to eat. I am going to make a pasta salad, and I'm going to make some pigs in a blanket, and that is going to be our lunch / dinner today. That's what I was supposed to make yesterday. But our plans switched up. We're going to get on to church. I'm going to share my day with you guys and share, my food and all the things. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Nothing beats a simple pasta salad. I'm using bow tie pasta, which you are seeing here, and I'm draining it. I cooked it until it was just al dente, and I'm rinsing it with really cold water to stop the cooking process. Now, you'll see here in a minute that I have chopped up cucumber, celery, pepperoni, bell pepper, as well as sliced black olives. I'm going to add in mozzarella cheese, fat-free, zesty Italian, and I add in a little bit of the everything seasoning, and it was absolutely delicious. It's been a long time since I've put together a pasta salad, and I love this every time, and especially this time of year. It's like I feel like that spring fever coming on, and I love a good pasta salad. If you have never made pigs in a blanket, it is super simple. All it is those little tiny biscuits that you can buy in a small roll. And I take them, flatten them out. I put a half a hot dog and a little square of a cheese signal inside of that. And I roll it up, and then I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes till they're nice and brown. Now, I've known people to want to dip these in ketchup or mustard, but my husband and I, we just love them plain. They are so good. I used to eat these all the time when I was a kid. They're always a big hit with kids and family and little parties and get-togethers. And if you want to call them something fancy, I have known people to say that they're bellinis and not pigs in a blanket. Well, I've got all of my piggies all in a wrap, and I'm going to throw those in the oven. We're going to get this served. The sausage dip was amazing. The bellinis were exquisite, and the pasta salad hit the spot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will be seeing you again soon. Bye.